This has been a wonderful finish to the journey of Nocturnal Burger. We started with Sundance and we've reached here. And in the meantime, we've roamed the whole world. Rima Maya, thank you so much. This is truly only yours because blind faith led to blind faith and we're here right now. Thank you so much to everyone who thought I was deserving of this award as well, because you all have no idea. This room is full of all the people who have admired all my life, and you've made that 11-year-old girl very happy who used to dance in front of the TV, imagining her mom's dupatta with a long hair. Thank you so much. Thank you.